Hey people, today in the supermarket, and look some water. You know? Look water and a Pepsi. People, Pepsi, Pepsi. And a cold Pepsi. Okay. Yeah, so this is it. Water and Pepsi.